Welcome to our guide on how to block someone on Roblox using your PC, especially after the latest update. If you've been having trouble with certain players or just want to clean up your friend list, this is the perfect solution for you. Let's get started. First, open Roblox on your computer. Once it's fully loaded, you'll see the main interface where you can navigate through games and friends. Now, look to the left side of the screen. Here, you'll find a menu with several options. Click on More. This will open up additional features that you can access. Next, click on Friends. This section shows all your current friends and gives you easy access to manage them. Once you're in the Friends section, it's time to find the specific friend you wish to block. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to locate their name quickly. Remember, you can only block players who are on your friends list. After you've found the friend you want to block, hover over their name. You'll notice 3 dots appearing next to their profile. Click on those 3 dots, and a small menu will pop up. Finally, select Block from the menu. After confirming your choice, the player will be blocked, preventing them from contacting you or interacting with your profile. And that's it. You've successfully blocked someone on Roblox using your PC. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. Happy gaming!